Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to talk about remanufactured gas fuel injectors and why they may not be the best choice for your customers' vehicles. Now, just as ignition coils work with spark plugs to provide spark for combustion, fuel injectors receive an electrical signal from the vehicle's ECU, energizing the electrical windings sealed inside the injector housing and commands them to deliver the precise amount of fuel required for combustion. Now, did you ever stop to think why you don't really see remanufactured ignition coils? Well, it's because today's ignition coils are sealed and aren't designed to be disassembled. Like gas fuel injectors, the electrical components, including the coil windings, are sealed inside the overmolding, or the injector housing. So, why are there remanufactured gas fuel injectors? Well, it's because it is possible to clean a gas fuel injector, replace the inlet filter, install new O-rings, and market it as remanufactured. And that is exactly what several companies offering gas fuel injectors do. Now, it's important to add that diesel fuel injectors do not use the same type of overmold that gas injectors do. This means that diesel injectors can be disassembled and properly remanufactured. The risk of using remanufactured injectors with older internal components is even greater when you understand why most fuel injectors fail. Of course, some injectors can become clogged or contaminated, and GDI injectors can fail because of carbon buildup on the tip of the injector. But it is very common to see electrical failures in fuel injectors. Thousands of heat cycles and the constant vibration of today's smaller displacement, high RPM engines can put a lot of strain on gasoline fuel injectors. Remanufactured fuel injectors with older electronic components will probably work, but it's impossible to know for how long. This is why so many professional technicians trust new, never remanufactured gas fuel injectors from BWD. These injectors are assembled using all new components and they're end-of-line tested for performance and durability, along with full line coverage for both import and domestic vehicles. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?